Check out this 2011 Nissan Altima. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.